Hi guys, welcome back. And today I'm just doing an update about the market, the stocks that I'm looking at, the stocks that I'm going to buy next week, stocks that I already bought, how the market is doing for me, and yeah. So right now IVR is up 3%, but I do expect it to go back down. I don't want it to go back up higher just yet. Since my strategy for IVR is to buy over the long term, at least for this year, this until the end of this year, and then keep buying it until it reaches like $4. After $4, I'm not gonna buy IVR anymore heavily. I might buy like a couple shares, but I'm not gonna buy heavily like I am right now. I have around 598 shares in IVR in this Robinhood account, and I have around 523 in my webull account. So I'm excited for that. And if you haven't watched the video I did about the real estate stocks and my plan for them, my 5 to 6 times return I plan on getting from the real estate stocks alone, you should go to my channel and just it's like the second or third video I did, and just check that out. And other stocks that I'm looking, this market was down. It was down like 4 to 3% earlier on, but it kind of recovered. Same with Tesla. Tesla was down like 10 to 13%, like after hours before the market opened, and now it just rebounded to 3% after all that loss. So I think it was just like an overreaction of people. Like, I think people were expecting too much for Battery Day, so it went down. Plus, it had an 18% run up the last week, so it might be like expected. People already expected something on Battery Day, so it already had a run up. So when it went down, people just went back in. And stocks that I'm looking at are let me see. I'm looking at this one, Big Commerce. It's like Shopify, but it's like Shopify's competitor. So instead of going on Shopify, you could go on Big Commerce. Since I have a couple Shopify stores I made, another competitor, if I really wanted to switch from Shopify to another e-commerce site, would be Big Commerce, which I'm excited on buying. I think next week I might buy one, or the following week. Anyways, I'm gonna just start building my position in Big Commerce, which is a huge e-commerce site or platform, which I think it has just massive potential to grow over the next 5 to 10 years. I mean, it had ridiculous valuation when it first came in, like 130, but it went down from now. So I might start building a position in Big Commerce. Another position, Fartech. I really haven't studied this company, but it kind of interests me a bit. So I'm gonna do some studying and make a video about Fartech sometime in the future. And let me see, Zengaya is doing pretty well today, around 1%. It's a company I do own shares of, and I'm slowly building shares each and every week. So I have like 17 shares in my webull account. I might have to build that a bit faster. Maybe buy some more, maybe buy the same amount. And my other real estate stocks, like Two Harbor and MFA, and Hallmaker, which I have a couple shares of. And then one stock that I'm interested in buying in the long term is Fidelity. Fidelity is like that company that it has a app. It's like a bank too. So I was reading into Fidelity, but I need to do some more research before I start buying into Fidelity and seeing everything about it. Well, that's it for this video. I was just making an update on the market, seeing how the market was doing. It was red earlier on today, but it bounced back, so it's kind of green. What I buy right now, no, I wouldn't buy right now, but I am looking at stocks I am gonna buy for the next following weeks. So that's it.